This is the Avair two-way antenna switch. And we take it out of the box. It's pretty straightforward and it's quite heavy. This is a heavy duty, good quality two-way antenna switch. So basically you have your two antennas coming in. One could be HF, the other one could be VHF, UHF, or it could be two CB antennas. One could be omnidirectional, the other one could be directional. And then this goes to your transmitter and you can switch between one antenna and the other antenna. And it takes up to about 2 kilowatts of power. So a very heavy duty, good quality antenna switch. So there you go, that's the Avair two-way antenna switch.